Oba, welcome back, you rejected Greek, for another episode. Today, we have something special, something Mediterranean style. We have some calamari, yes, some calamari. And what we're going to do is cook it traditional Greek style with some oregano, lemon and olive oil. And of course, we're going to cook it on the CrossRay BBQ. Probably will take us around 10 to 15 minutes, not much longer than that. With all 4 burners on low, we're going to cook it on both sides. Obas, okay, we're back now. And let me show you how easy it is to prepare a calamari. And like I said earlier, it's going to take us about 10 or 15 minutes maximum to cook it on the CrossRay BBQ. Very simple. We don't have to prepare too much. We do have to clean it and make sure we take out the skin off as well. And look at this size. Opas. Look at this beautiful calamari. We're going to put that on the CrossRay BBQ with all its tentacles here as well. But we're going to hold off on that for a little bit because that's going to cook a little bit quicker than the rest of the body. Others like to cut it up, but I'm going to cook it whole and plate it up on our plate and serve it on our table. And what you can do is you can serve it with chips, salad, or any other meal, or leave it like that as a mezze and let the family attack it. We're going to complement it with our olive oil, our oregano and salt, lemons, tomato, yes, tomato, and of course, from Jack the Greek's garden, some parsley. So, coming close, CrossRay BBQ, it's sitting at about 200 degrees. And let's put it on. Now what we're going to do is grab it gently, just like that, opas, and place it straight on the CrossRay BBQ, just like that. And we're going to leave it there. We're going to put the hood down because we want the inside to cook as well, in between the tube, just in here, before we turn it over. So I'll turn the lid down, give it around 5 minutes, and we'll be back to turn it over. Opa, welcome back. It's been about 4 minutes, coming close, and let's have a look at our calamari. It's going to be time to turn it over. Opa, look at it all steaming up and cooking away. Beautiful. Look at this. Okay, opa, magic, magic. Opas. And now we're going to grab our tentacles as well. We're going to put them in as well now. Opa, look at that. Just there. And that now will also cook just in time for the other one as well, the other body to cook. So just quickly cut this up a little bit just there to open up, bring the leg back in, leave it there, and while we're there you might want to enjoy the view, but I'm going to cut a couple of tomatoes that we're going to complement the dish with as well. Just like this, a couple of tomatoes, beautiful, like that. And we'll get our lemons ready while we're here. There we go. We're going to put plenty of lemons on our calamari. And obviously we'll cut up our parsley just like this. There we go. Beautiful. That's going to still cook behind me, and I can smell it and I can hear it sizzling away. And we'll close the hood for a couple more minutes. Just like that. So we're just about ready for everything we need to plate up. We've got our oregano, our salt, our olive oil, our lemons, and our tomatoes. Perfect. Let's have another quick look. Opa, perfect. We'll put the lid down. We're back in about 4 minutes to plate it up. Opa. Now is when the magic starts. We've got a couple of minutes to go, so let's have a look and see how it's all going on the CrossRay BBQ. You can see now the tentacles. Opa, look at that. They're also starting to cook as well. And they're nearly ready. And what we'll do now is put our tomatoes just like that, just back here. Now that we've got a couple of minutes to go, because we don't want to overcook our tomatoes or our calamari either. So you can see now, I'll grab the other tongs, and this is where the magic is with the calamari. Look at that, beautiful. So what we'll do is we'll put it here, just like that, and we'll grab our knife. You've got to have a really sharp knife to do this. And we'll start just putting a line like that. Look at this. And what this is going to do is going to allow it all to cook on the inside, because you don't want to leave it on too long on the CrossRay BBQ or on any cooking with the calamari. You don't want it too chewy. And the only way you're going to avoid that is to not overcook it. So there we go. And what we'll do is we'll put that back in now for another couple of minutes. And what we'll do is we'll rest it on the top grill, just like that. While the legs and tentacles cook, the tomatoes, a couple more minutes. We'll turn them over now, just like that. And if you put your stopwatch on and wait for 2 minutes, you'll be back to serve it all up. Back to Jack the Greek. It's been around 10 minutes now since we've had our calamari on. We've turned it over, we've sliced it up, you've seen all that. We've had our tomatoes on there for a couple of minutes, and now it's ready to plate up. So let's just grab it slowly and carefully, just like this. Opas. Look at that. Look at that beautiful calamari, just like that. There it is. And we also obviously got the tentacles just here, and we'll put that just like that there. And there it goes, just like that. Opa. There we go. And then, of course, we need a couple of our tomatoes, just there, just like that. And let's not forget, we have all our other ingredients we need to put on with our lemon. Okay, whatever we do, we must put lemon on our calamari. And you can see this lemon, it's got so many pips, because it's come from Jack the Greek's backyard. There you can see. There we go. We'll take them off in a couple of seconds. So we'll put them like this here and just take off the pips. Just like that. We'll put it in the bin just there. Then we have our maidano, our parsley. Put some parsley just like this on top of it. We need our oregano, our rigani, as they say. Beautiful, look at that. Hoppa. There we go. That's done. We don't need any more lemonia from here. We need our salt. And thanks to our friends at Jean at Preston Market, providing our Greek imported salt, just there. Our cracked pepper, just like that. Of course, we're going to need a couple of slices of lemon on the side. Make some room here on the chopping board, just like this. There we go, just like this. Beautiful, beautiful. Put that there, put that away. And of course, lucky last, our beautiful Tifilla olive oil. And again, you don't measure these things, you just go Jack the Greek style, just like this. Hoppas, look at that. You can't tell me, using the CrossRay BBQ, in under 15 minutes, producing a beautiful meal like this for the family. Have it with a beautiful Mythos beer as well, just there. How you cannot produce and enjoy on a Sunday afternoon a beautiful meal by Jack the Greek. Look it up on YouTube, on Facebook for the recipe, but please share it with your family. Opas from Jack the Greek.